Meet NoteGPT, an advanced tool designed for anyone seeking to work smarter, not harder. Built with cutting-edge artificial intelligence, NoteGPT transforms the way you manage, organize, and understand your notes, making information more accessible than ever. With automated note summarization, NoteGPT streamlines your workflow by condensing lengthy notes into concise, actionable summaries. This means less time spent sifting through pages of information and more time focused on what really matters. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a lifelong learner, NoteGPT empowers you to accomplish more in less time. NoteGPT leverages AI-driven organization to structure your notes intelligently. By automatically categorizing and highlighting key concepts, it helps you remember important details and reinforces learning. The result? You retain more knowledge, making it easier to recall information when you need it most. Go beyond simple note-taking. NoteGPT synthesizes information to reveal deeper insights, helping you quickly grasp complex topics. Effortlessly identify key themes and connect ideas across your notes, unlocking new perspectives and understanding. Experience the future of note-taking. Try NoteGPT today and discover how intelligent automation can elevate your productivity, enhance your learning, and transform the way you understand information.